Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Ubuntu and some of the applications pre-installed. Ubuntu is a Linux distribution based on Debian and composed mostly of free and open source software, freely available with both community and professional support. Ubuntu is officially released in 3 editions: Desktop, Server, and Core for Internet of Things devices and robots. All the editions can run on the computer alone, or in a virtual machine. Ubuntu is a popular operating system for cloud computing, with support for OpenStack. Ubuntu's default desktop has been Gnome since version 17.10. Ubuntu is released every 6 months, with long-term support releases every 2 years. Ubuntu packages are based on packages from Debian's unstable branch, which are synchronized every 6 months. Both distributions use Debian's Deb package format and package management tools. A default installation of Ubuntu contains a wide range of software and several lightweight games. Many additional software packages are accessible from the built-in Ubuntu software as well as any other apt-based package management tools. Cross-distribution snap packages and flatpaks are also available, that both allow installing software. All of the application software installed by default is free software. In addition, Ubuntu redistributes some hardware drivers that are available only in binary format, but such packages are clearly marked in the restricted component. Ubuntu is currently funded by Canonical Limited. On July 8, 2005, Mark Shuttleworth and Canonical announced the creation of the Ubuntu Foundation and provided initial funding of $10 million. The purpose of the foundation is to ensure the support and development for all future versions of Ubuntu. The first release was Ubuntu 4.10, Warty Warthog, on October 20, 2004. Ubuntu uses systemd as is init software and supports Btrfs, X3, X4, JFS, RiserFS and XFS file systems. For package management, Ubuntu uses apt and snap. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. For self-contained applications, Ubuntu uses Snap. Ubuntu includes version 5.11.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Ubuntu are Firefox, Thunderbird, Transmission, Shotwell and LibreOffice. Please feel free to tell me what you think of the latest release of Ubuntu in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.